Bonjour, bonjour. J'espère que vous allez bien. Hello, everyone. I hope you are feeling great. I hope you and your families are okay. I know these times have been difficult, and I just want you to know I am ready. I am ready to start with our online classes. I know it's going to be difficult. I know it's never going to be the same if we compare it to the way we were learning at school. It's not the same to be at home. Maybe you are not going to have the teacher right next to you, your classmates that sometimes help. Is never going to be the same. But I want you to know I understand. I'm going to be absolutely comprehensive with all the situations that we have right now. I don't know what you're going through at home, but I'm sure that this is not being easy for any of us. So this is my first video. I am going to be uploading different videos during these coming weeks, and I just wanted to get familiar with the tool. I wanted to say hello to you. I wanted to let you know that I have missed you, that I have missed our classes. Probably you have not missed school that much, I know. Maybe you have enjoyed and used this time for you, for sleeping a little bit. But I think now it's time for us to stop doing those things that maybe are not productive, that are not teaching us anything new. And I think it's a moment to stop and start doing something for our lives, for our knowledge, our personal improvements. So this is my invitation today. I know, again, the conditions are not the same, but I am sure your teachers, the school, and everyone is planning and trying to get ready for you guys. So please value this hard work your teachers are doing, okay? This is not being easy for us. This is going to be hard for some teachers to learn how to use online tools. For some of us it's easier, maybe for some others it's going to be difficult, but we are all trying to give you the best, to be ready for our online classes and lessons. So guys, my invitation is just show us you care, show us you're interested. How can you do this? Well, reply to our emails, send us a message using Canvas, using the email. We don't have a Remind app because sometimes I feel you have so many groups and you don't want to feel maybe overwhelmed with the amount of messages and text you get. But show me that with Canvas and with the email is enough. Okay, so reply. I don't care if you send me 5 messages, 5 emails a day. I'm going to be more than glad to reply, to answer you back, to help you. This is why I'm here for. So just let me know and show me you care. Show me you are interested, and in this way I'm going to be more motivated and encouraged to teach you in different ways. I am not going to ask you to study 1 hour or 90 minutes as we were used to. This is going to be just maybe 60 minutes in a week. So you can do 20 minutes daily of French, which I think is fair enough for you and for me. I just want you to learn. This is going to be a long process for us. Our exams are next year, but we cannot miss any opportunity to continue learning. All right, so I really care about your learning process. I really care about you, and I really want you to start getting back on track with your work, with your French, and this is what I'm here for. All right, so what I'm going to do in this video is show you our Canvas. Maybe you have not gone over it. I gave you a choice board last week, and I only received one of your choice boards. So this is what I'm saying. show me you are reading this, you are doing the work, so that I can give you more appealing and interesting activities. But if you're not going to try, or you're not going to be interested, this is not going to work. All right, so please ask me, send me an email, and try. That's all I'm asking. So let's go to our canvas. Okay, this is the canvas. This is our course. So here you have French Ab Inicio 1. I used this nice picture we took of us, and then you have all my information, my office hours, Microsoft Teams, which we are not having meetings yet. All right, if you click in modules, maybe you click here, yes, you're going to find the messages I have been sending you and the activities. This is the choice board I created for you. Okay, very easy. You choose one activity to do daily, just this one, and I gave you 12 options. You just have to choose one. Okay, make sure you only repeat twice the same activity during the week, so you cannot just do Quizlet the whole week, for example. Okay, you have Quizlet, you have labeling objects in your house. It can be your bedroom, it can be the kitchen, you decide, with the resources you have at home. Maybe you don't have Post-its, but you have paper and you have glue, all right, or you have tape, so you can do it like that. Online practice, we have a Padlet here, a link where you click and you're going to find resources. You just send me the screenshot to my email or on Canvas in a message, and that's all. Sentences, 15 sentences using the verbs you already know how to conjugate. Easy, you can do them on a piece of paper, take a picture, or you just type them on an email, and I'm going to be giving you feedback on these. Share your favorite movie, maybe a movie you have seen these days at home, and you're just going to create a Google Slides presentation with a nice picture. You can send me the trailer of the movie and describe it in French. Who's the director, the year, the characters, the plot, all right? A script, it can be at a doctor, buying a house, a date with a friend, maybe a date. How would be a date now that we cannot go outside? That could be an interesting situation to make a script or a role play about. It could be awesome if you could record your voices doing the dialogues or describing the movie, so that you can practice pronunciation. I would love to listen to you and correct your pronunciation, your intonation. But again, this all depends on you and the attitude you want to show me in this work. You have a word wall. It's a nice exercise. You can go and click and again show me the screenshot, and that's all. Share a funny, maybe a funny song, a video, maybe a TikTok in French, something that is related to the class and the content. A list of hobbies, a video, maybe a PowerPoint or a video that you didn't understand. I gave you one list of web pages you could go and look during the first week that we didn't go to school. You can maybe ask me, okay, I didn't understand these. Could you please explain me again this topic, this word? You can always ask me those things. Use Duolingo. This is an excellent app. I always recommend. You can just use it during 10 minutes a day, and you're going to be working on vocabulary, pronunciation, grammar. It's a very complete tool. And the last one, create a nice foldable. You don't need a lot of materials for this, just a piece of paper, and you can use Quizlet to write down the words and divide them in categories, and have a summary of your grammar and vocabulary. All the ones we have so far. It's a very easy chart to use. It's a choice board again. Please send me this. so that then we can start working on something different. Okay, please do that. And the other thing I wanted to share with you is this. So if you already worked on your choice board, you're going to work on this fun project that is going to be related to the very last topic we studied, which was clothing, right? The verb to wear. Je mets, je porte. Oui, je porte un casquette, un pull, oui, un anorak, un pantalon, des baskets, oui. So you're going to create an online store. Okay, this is you're going to, for example, this is one store online. Actually, this is the one that Stromae has now as a second business. You have the name of the clothing, pantalon de training, the price in euros, and the picture. This is what I want you to do. So this is not going to be for this week, but I want you to start working on this, okay? These are the steps. You write the name of the online store, you give a nice name in French, a slogan in French, you can create a logo, and this page that is to create logos, you just create it, download it, and then use it for your web page. I recommend using Wix to create your web page online. This page is designed for creating online stores. You just log in with your Google account and that's all you have to do. Okay. And then you are going to start creating your online store. Find 14 different piece of clothes you want to sell. Maybe you want only to sell sneakers, maybe only dresses, you decide. But they have to be 14 different images, okay? You can personalize them in this page I have here. But again, go to the web pages I'm suggesting here, play a little bit with them to see what tools they have, and if in the end you think it's too complicated, you can use Google Slides, all right? But let's leave that as a last option. So I want you to go ahead and create this web page, everything in French, give the price in French, describe the materials of the clothing in French, the name, of course, in French, and that's going to be our first online project. Let me know if you have questions. I'm going to leave all these steps, the rubric. Also, I am going to give you one example there so that you have a more clear idea of what I want you to do. Okay, this is all for this video, guys. I just hope you wait a sec. I just hope you start doing this. I am willing to listen from all of you. Please text me, send me an email, and I'm going to be here, ready to answer, ready to help you, and ready to continue learning, okay? I hope to listen from you again soon. Merci beaucoup et au revoir.